Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you are new in this channel, you're most welcome. God bless you for stopping by in my channel, and please don't go away without subscribing and also turn on the notification bell. In so doing, you wouldn't miss any of my uploads. And for you the returnees, God bless you for stopping by in my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you some interesting things that we neglect these days, especially our younger ones. Those days back home, in my own place, in Akwa Ibom State, whenever a woman gives birth, the woman will be in the house with the mother for 6 months. Yes, 6 consecutive months. And for those that are working, they would plead that they should stay for 3 months. It's normally granted. But the funniest part of it is that within that 3 months or 6 months, they are to be in the house, no going out. You don't go to markets, you don't go to farm, you don't go to stream. You don't just go out, you be in the house for that period of time. Your duty is to wake up in the morning, take your bath, eat, breastfeed your baby, and sleep. If you're lucky to have people that work for you, in fact, they will not allow you to sweep. Yes, common sweeping, they will not allow you to sweep. So, these days, we don't observe those things anymore. Especially our working class children. The mother would have to go to them, like I did, stay with them for some time, and then come back. But those days, somebody like my own mother, she stayed in her mother's house, according to her, for 1 full year. According to my mother, for 1 full year. Those days, they normally stay in the fatting room for 1 full year, not 3 months or 6 months. And so during that time, the work you do are those things that I've just mentioned. Wake up in the morning, take your bath, eat, breastfeed your baby, and then sleep so that you'll be fat. These days is no more like that. And during that period, the hairdo that the woman must do is the one that I'm going to show you how to do now. As this my hair is, I'm going to loosen it and then show you the style that is normally done when a woman is in the fatting room with the mother. These days, children of these days don't even know how to use their hand and turn to the back and do their hair. But then, you have to learn that. You use your hand and make your hair, or your younger ones will do it for you, or even your friend. Those that love you, they will just come around and be telling you stories, so that you'll be happy to eat and become fat. So I'm going to show you the hairdo that is normally done that time. You don't go to salon, no. Your hair, they will make it in the house for you. See my hair? After losing my hair, this is the cream that I normally use. This is shea butter. In my language, we call it Aranasabo. The name is funny, right? So Aranasabo means python's oil. So this is what I use on my hair, and this is shea butter. It's always very good on the hair. You can as well make use of this cream on your body. It is very good. See, my hair doesn't cut. After losing the hair, let me now show you the style that we normally place whenever we are in the fatting room. It's a very simple and cute style. You have to cut this hair, you portion it for about 6 places and plaits, depending on how long your hair is. If your hair is short, you have to cut it up to 10 or 12. But if it's long like mine, you have to cut it like 6. So I'm going to cut this into 6. This is the one that I have cut. So I'm going to plait it. See how it slips down. This is how I'm going to cut the hair and then plait all my hair by myself. This is what we normally do in the fatting room. So if you don't know how to plait the hair by yourself, someone can help you. So many times my mother will tell you, do it yourself, so that you will use that and do practice. So that you can know how to plait yourself. You know, sometimes some people find it difficult to plait their hair by themselves. It's not every time you go to salon to make your hair. You just have to learn this simple trick and help yourself. See my hair? The popular name that we normally give to this hair is iderubok. Yes, iderubok. That is, you're using your hand to plait the hair. You don't need machine. You don't need any other tool apart from your comb. In plaiting this type of hair, if you don't know how to lap this hair, the hair will not slip. And so you have to try and know how to lap it so that the hair can slip on your head. For the hair to slip, you have to start the back side. You have to start it from the back. Once you start it from the back, the hair will slip on your head. But if you start it from inside of your hand, the hair will not slip on your head. See my hair? Very simple and cute. So this is the type of hairstyle that we normally do whenever we are in fatting room. Those days though, even now it's still happening for those that really want it. Except maybe your children are the working class people. They will say, Mommy, please, I don't have time. Or they want to do a particular style that they like. But those days, this is the normal style for any woman that is in the fatting room. The reason for this is because it's very simple. They don't want to stress the lady. Yes, they don't want to stress her. They don't want to engage her in a long period of time in order to make her hair. Just simple and just sharp thing, so that she will go and eat her food and then sleep. Remember, I told you the only work she has is to eat, breastfeed her baby and sleep. So that is the kind of work that we normally do whenever we are in the fatting room. So I'm going to use this my style at least for some time before I will make another style. I'm sure you love my style. It's very simple and cute. If you're not going to anywhere, you can simply do this and stay at home. Just keep yourself busy and you'll be happy. I'm sure you love this my hairdo. If you do, don't forget to do it if you have time for yourself. Whenever you are less busy, you can simply do this and then stay at home. If you love this video, please thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Important, don't forget to subscribe. Important, please don't forget to subscribe. If you subscribe, you will not miss any of my uploads. See you in my next video. Bye.